Tired of hard water wreaking havoc on your appliances and plumbing? Water softener cleaners are the unsung heroes in the battle against mineral buildup. In this video, we'll explore the best water softener cleaners that not only enhance the performance of your softening system, but also extend its lifespan. From restoring efficiency to preventing clogs, these cleaners are essential for maintaining your home's water quality. Stick around to find out which products will keep your system running smoothly and your water soft. Whirlpool WHEWSC Water Softening Cleanser. Looking for a reliable solution to maintain your water softener? The Whirlpool WHEWSC Water Softening Cleanser is compatible with most systems, expertly designed to clean, soften a resin, and eliminate harmful mineral deposits that hinder performance. This user-friendly formula allows for easy application. Simply add the ready-to-use solution directly into the brine well every 4 months. Regular use not only helps to remove harmful buildup, but also prolongs the lifespan of your water softener, ensuring that you consistently receive high-quality, softened water throughout your home. With its straightforward application and effective formula, the Whirlpool WHEWSC makes maintaining your water softener effortless, so you can enjoy the benefits of soft water without the hassle. RESCARE RK64 and Water Softener Cleaner. The RESCARE RK64 and Water Softener Cleaner is a specially formulated cleaning agent designed to restore and prolong the life of resin beds and water softeners. This powerful cleaner penetrates resin pores, efficiently removing iron, manganese, and metal particles that accumulate over time, preventing damaging buildup. Using RESCARE is simple. Pour half a cup directly into the brine well or salt tank for effective maintenance. Regular application helps improve the performance and lifespan of your water softener, minimizing hardness and scaling issues while maximizing efficiency. By ensuring that contaminants do not accumulate on resin beads, RESCARE guarantees optimal functioning of your water softening system, providing clean and softened water for your home. Make RESCARE a part of your maintenance routine for best results and long-lasting performance. MORTON MWSC Water Softener Cleanser. Wrapping up our list is the MORTON MWSC Water Softener Cleanser, a powerful formula specifically designed to remove harmful deposits from the resin bed, valve, and overall system of your water softener that regular salt fails to tackle. This cleanser effectively targets iron, sediment, dirt, and rust, ensuring that the resin bed remains clean and efficient for optimal performance. Recommended for use every 4 months, it is compatible with most brands of water softeners, providing an easy way to maintain your system's efficiency. Simply add the ready-to-use solution directly into the brine well of your water softener. By utilizing 1 bottle every 4 months, you can prolong the lifespan of your softener, ensuring it operates at peak efficiency and delivers softened water throughout the year. The MORTON MWSC Water Softener Cleanser is an essential addition to your water softening maintenance regimen. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect water softener cleaner. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.